Hello everyone. This is my second time filming this video. This time my camera's fully charged, so hopefully we make it through, and hopefully the lighting's okay because it's kind of dark out and I had to makeshift my own lighting. I'm going to do my makeup kind of because I get a lot of compliments on it when I go out in public and stuff when I do wear makeup, which is like maybe twice a month. I'm just gonna put my hair back from my face, and I'm just gonna spritz my face with aroma water from Lush. And then I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm very low in this stuff, so we'll see how much I have left or can get out of this for this video. I'm going to use some color corrector. I use color corrector under my eyes and on pimples and like red spots on my face. So I use like this Bobbi Brown color corrector in light peach, and I'm just putting some on in all my dark circles. Everywhere that's red, which my face is freaking angry today. And I just blend it out really lightly. So I use a Real Techniques Beauty Blender sponge thing, and I like to just dampen it with this Aven thermal water that I've had forever. Okay. So and then I'm going to put my foundation on, and this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I honestly just will dip my sponge into the makeup on my hand, and I just freaking go for it. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. And I'm also using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. I just put some on my hand. And I go in and do this like triangle type thing under my eyes. And I do conceal my eyelids and my nose, my chin, forehead, kind of wherever. With the leftovers, I'll just use it to kind of highlight. And I'm going to conceal my under eyes last because I like to let the product sit in a bit. Fab. Now I'm going to go in and kind of not fully bake, but I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Put some in the cap, and I just use the flat end of the sponge. Sorry if you hear that banging around. I have guinea pigs. Okay, so I just kind of let this sit for like no time at all. And then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. flat powder brush, and I just lightly dust it away. And now I'm going to use a full powder that's colored. A colored powder, a foundation powder, what is this called? Finishing powder. This one is NYX No Filter in light beige. I use my Posh powder brush I've had for like forever to put this all over my face. Now I powdered my face and like really set my foundation. I am, sorry that I'm distracted, I'm going to use bronze and blush or kind of contour. I don't really contour my face. I just use like blush and bronzer and some highlighter. So I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This one's the milk chocolate, but I do have the just original Chocolate Soleil. It was like 100 points. And I just go in with this flat brush, and I do like the fish lips, and I follow that line. do some up in my temple area on both sides and along the forehead. I don't really contour my nose, but I do put some bronzer on both sides of it and on my jawline. So that's the contour, kind of what I do on my face. And then I'm gonna use that same powder brush that I use for all my face makeup and blend it out in a circular motion. Going with like this blush. This is, what brand? Tarte. It's like the birthday one that you get. And now I'm gonna highlight. Highlighting with the Makeup Forever highlighter in Pro Light Fusion. I apply it in like a tapping motion. I find that gives me the best glow. Okay, so now it's kind of like eye time. Oh, eyebrows. Not eye time, it's eyebrows. What I am using is just this Sephora eyebrow brush. It's number 208. It's got a spoolie and the brush. The eyebrow powder I use is the Anastasia Brow Duo, and this one's in dark brown. So I brush my eyebrows up first to kind of get their shape back. So as you can tell, this one's obviously got a much better shape than this one, so I follow the shape a little more precisely. And I do mix both browns. And I start by kind of doing a couple lines to create a bit of the shape on the left brow. And I get to the arch and I literally just go straight down for the tail. And that's kind of like the base shape. I do the, whatever you want to call those, the tips, the fronts, last. So to like shape them, I just do one line and follow the shape that I've created already, and then I get the two lines, and I'm going to do the same on the other side, but trying to be precisely or as much in line with this eyebrow as I can be. And now it's just creating this part, whatever that's called. So my brows are done. You can tell quite the difference brow-wise from before. And I like them like this. I know people are like, don't do like that, it's not natural. I don't give a shit. Jesus Christ. So I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids with Urban Decay Primer Potion. I am gonna use, I'm not in focus, the Anastasia Subculture palette. I'm gonna also use the Anastasia brush, the blending one that comes with the palette. And I'm gonna start with the color Roxy, which is this orangey pink color here. And I'm just gonna put it on my crease. And I'm just gonna bring it down underneath my waterline a bit. And then I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna try and make this simple by using everything from the same palette, I guess. So it can be attained by someone else if you like how it looks. And then I'm going to use the color Dawn on my eyelid, but I'm going to put that on my lid. Now I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. Using this very old palette. Shady Lady, the bomb. This is what the inside of it looks like. I only use it really for this color still because it's just such a good highlighting color. Brow bone. Okay, so I am actually gonna just darken it up just a little touch. I'm gonna use the color All Star, but I'm just going to touch my brush to it and put a little more of the crease. And I've decided I want to bring it down. Fuck. Banging everything around. Bring it down just a little bit lower. Onto my lower lash line, just a touch. And now I'm going to put some mascara on, which is the Benefit They're Real. I don't know how to do my eyelashes without wearing fake eyelashes, so I don't wear a lot of mascara. So I'm just gonna let my mascara chill for a sec, and I'm gonna pick up my eyelashes. Normally it would be, I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Normally my go-to would be the Sephora Collection Fringe number 4, but they have discontinued them. I don't know what I'm gonna do without them. I'm trying to find new eyelashes. I think I'm just gonna throw on my New Year's eyelashes. I don't know which ones these are, but these are just the most dramatic ones they have, of course. I take my lash off and I always re-bend it, put it on, and then I take my Duo lash glue and I put a really thin amount on. I put a drop on both tips for no reason in particular. Just why I just do it. So it's time. So one eyelash is on, one eyelash is not on right now. It's a dramatic set of eyelashes, wow. So my memory card died, but I just put on my other piece of eyelash. My other eyelash. This is the final look. I'm gonna take some shots of the look and maybe some shots.